Altruism and helping behavior. Altruism and helping behavior are important aspects of human psychology that explain why people assist others, sometimes at a cost to themselves. Altruism is a selfless concern for the welfare of others, while helping behavior refers to actions taken to benefit someone else, which may or may not involve personal sacrifice. Both are essential for social cohesion, cooperation, and the smooth functioning of societies. Understanding why people help reveals a great deal about human motivation, morality, and social interaction. Altruism and helping behavior are influenced by biological, psychological, social, and cultural factors, showing that these behaviors are complex and shaped by both nature and experience. Biological factors contribute to altruistic and helping behavior. Evolutionary theories suggest that people are more likely to help those who share their genes, a concept known as kin selection. This explains why individuals often prioritize family members or close relatives. Reciprocal altruism is another mechanism in which helping increases the chance of receiving help in return, promoting cooperation within groups. Even when acts appear selfless, they often have underlying benefits that improve social relationships and survival. Biological processes in the brain also play a role. Neural activity in reward centers, such as the ventral striatum, shows that helping others can be inherently satisfying. Hormones like oxytocin enhance empathy and bonding, motivating prosocial behavior. Psychological factors also shape helping behavior. Personality traits, including empathy, compassion, and agreeableness, strongly influence the likelihood of acting altruistically. Empathy allows people to feel and understand the emotions of others, motivating them to alleviate suffering. Moral reasoning, ethical beliefs, and personal values guide decisions to help, while emotional states affect responsiveness. People experiencing positive emotions are more likely to assist, while those under stress may withdraw. Cognitive processes, such as perspective taking, help individuals understand the needs of others and anticipate the consequences of their actions, increasing the likelihood of helping. Early experiences, such as nurturing environments or exposure to prosocial role models, further reinforce these tendencies. Social and environmental factors are also crucial. Cultural norms, peer influence, and societal expectations affect helping behavior. Collectivist cultures, which prioritize group welfare, often encourage helping behavior as a social obligation, while individualistic cultures may place more emphasis on voluntary choice and moral reasoning. Observing others engage in prosocial behavior can encourage similar actions, showing that helping behavior can be socially contagious. Situational factors such as perceived urgency, responsibility, and the presence of other bystanders influence whether individuals intervene. The well-known bystander effect demonstrates that people are less likely to help when others are present because responsibility is diffused across the group. Context, familiarity with the person in need, and perceived deservingness all affect the likelihood and effectiveness of helping. Helping behavior occurs in many forms. It can be simple acts, like holding a door, offering directions, or comforting someone emotionally. Larger acts include volunteering, donating to charity, or risking personal safety to aid others in emergencies. Motivation varies from genuine selfless concern to indirect benefits like social approval, recognition, or enhanced self-esteem. Researchers distinguish between intrinsic altruism, driven by empathy and moral values, and extrinsic helping, motivated by rewards or obligations. Both forms benefit social cohesion, though intrinsic altruism is often considered morally superior. Psychological theories provide insight into why people help. Empathy altruism theory suggests that feelings of empathy create a genuine desire to help. Social exchange theory argues that helping depends on a cost-benefit analysis, where individuals weigh potential rewards and costs before acting. Normative theories highlight the role of social rules, such as reciprocity and moral obligations, in guiding prosocial behavior. Evolutionary perspectives explain that helping increases survival chances, either through reciprocal aid or protection of shared genes. Together, these theories emphasize that altruism arises from a combination of internal motivations and external social influences. Research supports these ideas. Studies on bystander intervention show that people are more likely to help when alone than when in groups due to diffusion of responsibility. Similarity and familiarity increase helping, as people often assist those who are like them or members of their social group. Situational urgency, perceived competence, and potential risks also influence whether intervention occurs. These findings illustrate that helping behavior is context-dependent, affected by social, cognitive, and emotional factors. Altruism benefits both individuals and society. Acts of kindness increase happiness, life satisfaction, and emotional well-being. Helping strengthens social bonds, fosters trust, and promotes cooperation, which is essential for community functioning. Education, social modeling, and cultural reinforcement encourage consistent prosocial behavior. Programs that teach empathy, perspective-taking, and moral reasoning in schools or communities increase altruistic behavior and reduce antisocial tendencies. Encouraging altruism is not only ethically valuable but also promotes stronger, healthier social networks. In conclusion, altruism and helping behavior are complex human tendencies influenced by biological, psychological, social, and cultural factors. They range from small, everyday acts to extraordinary selfless actions, contributing to personal well-being, social cohesion, and the overall functioning of societies. Understanding the factors that encourage helping allows individuals and communities to foster prosocial behavior, reduce selfishness, and create supportive environments. Promoting empathy, moral awareness, social responsibility, and positive role models cultivates a culture of altruism that benefits both individuals and society. Altruism is both a moral ideal and a practical necessity for building compassionate and cooperative communities. If you found this explanation helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.